My name is Dr. Suchimita Mazumdar. Actually, I got admitted on 10th with some of my difficulties related to heart. ऐसा कि a few days back I experienced little bit of your jaw pain. And since I am from this biological field, I anticipated that something it is related to my heart disease or so I came to Apollo Hospital for regular your heart package and test for my heart conditions. And all the reports, that is echo and ECG, came normal. All the blood, CBC and blood reports are also normal. But during your treadmill test, it gave me a significant indication that my heart is not functioning properly. And the jaw pain might be due to that reason. So after that, I went for your angiography in Apollo Hospital, and after that angiography they told me that you have 90% block in two of your arteries, one in your main coronary artery and one is inner septum, so you need to go for your open heart surgery. So that time I got little bit worried, and I am a Rotarian, and Dr. Tamirudheen, he is also from this Rotary family, so I decided to take some suggestion from Dr. Tamirudheen, consulted him, and he gave me a very clear picture. He is a awesome doctor with very good knowledge. उनका हाथ भी बहुत स्मूथ है, and he operated me. He did my angioplasty, and I was totally एकदम पीस में थी कि he is taking care of me. He is such an patient friendly doctor. That is very important thing कि डॉक्टर के ऊपर ना वो भरोसा होना चाहिए कि पेशेंट को तभी वो ऑपरेशन ठीक होती है, नहीं तो आपको वो टेंशन रहेगा तो ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता. एंड he gave me his total care. बहुत अच्छा से किया. I am thankful to Dr. Tamirudheen. And I want to tell you that after I decided to leave that Apollo, when he told me कि आपको open heart करने का है, तो I came to Medicover Hospital because Dr. Tamirudheen is attached over here. And it is a very good hospital with all modern facilities, good equipments, modern equipments, not good, modern equipments in their lab. Cath lab is an excellent one. I have seen that thing. So I want to give 5-star to the doctor, all the staffs, and ultimately the hospital itself. Their ICU is also very good because all the staffs and doctors there always ready to give you the ultimate care they can provide at their best. So thumbs up for Dr. Tamirudheen, all the nursing staffs, all the junior doctors, and especially to Doctor. I'm really, really grateful to Dr. Tamirudheen. Thank you.